Welcome to Bio with Shruti. This is me Shruti Pillai. Welcome to another session of biology for competitive exams. Today we are going to cover lucent biology. We will be covering the topic pancreas from system of the human body. Insulin is a hormone which controls blood sugar level. Okay. When there is increase in the blood sugar level, that is called as diabetes. Now how is the blood sugar increase? Excess of glucose is stored or is converted in the form of glycogen and is stored in the liver. So glucose is simple sugar. It is converted into stored form, that is glycogen, and it is stored inside the liver. Now when there is excess of glycogen which is stored in the body, there is increase in the sugar level. So this causes diabetes. So in order to control this increase in blood sugar level, we need a hormone, that is insulin. So if they ask you which is the hormone which is important to control blood sugar level, then that is insulin. Dash organ is responsible to release insulin, then it is pancreas or pancreatic glands. Kindly remember this. And what is the disease that is caused because of increase in blood sugar level? It is diabetes. I hope it is clear, guys. The question can be asked in two ways. Now, DASH is the disease wherein the blood sugar level is increased. So, answer is diabetes. Or they can ask, DASH is the disease when there is deficiency of insulin. So, that is also diabetes. When the insulin is less, then also the blood sugar level gets increased. So, if they ask, name the disease wherein there is deficiency of insulin, then also their answer is diabetes. Or if they can ask, name a disease wherein the blood sugar level is more, then the answer is also diabetes. I hope you got the concept clear. Now in contrast, if there is excessive flow of insulin, then there is a disease called as hypoglycemia. Guys, if there is deficiency of insulin, there is increase in blood sugar level. This is called as diabetes. If there is increase in the amount of insulin, then there is decrease in the amount of blood sugar level. This is called as hypoglycemia. So too much of insulin will control the blood sugar level. So there will be loss of sugar. So loss of sugar leads to a disease called as hypoglycemia. Let's break the term. Hypo matlab below, and glycemia means again it is related to sugar. So low sugar level. So this leads to some other problems like loss of reproducing capacity, because like during pregnancy, especially females, they have this pre-pregnancy weight issues. The weight drops down when suddenly the sugar level reduces. Then there are problems like unconsciousness. There is problem in body mass index, which we've already discussed in the previous NCRT session. Okay, what is body mass index? So these are some of the problems which is caused because of hypoglycemia. Also there is another disease like vision deterioration. Vision means sight, and deterioration means there is degradation. Slowly there is blurring of vision. The person is unable to see clearly because the retina, okay, retina is a part of the eye which receives the light impulses. It is focused by the lens. So for the retinal function, there is sugar that is needed. So when there is less sugar level, there is vision deterioration. So before we continue, if this is helpful, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also know that Bio with Shruti is active in all these social media platforms. You can send me your queries through mail ID. You can contact me through my Insta, and you can also follow my Facebook page Bio with Shruti. Remember, we said alpha cell releases glucagon, beta cell releases insulin, and delta cell releases somatostatin. Guys, very important thing I wanted to tell you. There is a mistake in Lucent, okay, GK Lucent. In one place, instead of somatostatin, they have written somatostatin and something. I have misspelled that term, okay, somatostatin. So I would like to correct it. There is a mistake. There is a spelling mistake. Kindly check that out. Also, instead of delta cell, they have given gamma cell at one of its place. So kindly correct it. It is not gamma cell. It is delta cell which releases somatostatin. Okay. What is the function of glucagon? It reconverts glycogen to glucose. Guys, what we said, when there is excess of glucose, it is converted into glycogen and is stored in the liver, right? And this process of conversion of glucose into glycogen is controlled by insulin. Basically, insulin controls sugar level. What is the function of glucagon? It is the reverse. It reconverts the stored glycogen into simple sugar, that is glucose. Got it? The stored glycogen is further reconverted into glucose by glucagon. So how to remember? Glucagon forms glucose. Glucagon forms glucose. How? By reconverting the glycogen into glucose. Then we have the hormone somatostatin. We've already discussed insulin. Somatostatin, it is a polypeptide hormone. Let's break the term. Poly means many, peptide, it is related to protein. Guys, proteins are made up of amino acid residues. We've discussed this earlier. Amino acid, a long chain of amino acid residue called as peptide. So polypeptide means large chain of peptide. Okay, so it is related to protein. So it is a polypeptide hormone, huge chain of hormone. And guys, another very important thing, hormones, enzymes, the primary composition is protein. Both are made up of proteins. So what is the function of somatostatin? It increases duration of assimilation of food. Assimilation is utilization of food. So basically it increases the assimilation of food, or it promotes proper utilization of food for energy. So that is the function of somatostatin. So this is again a revision, guys. Alpha cell secretes glucagon here. Beta cell secretes insulin, this green color region. Then delta cell, that is purple color, it secretes somatostatin. Now we already know the function of glucagon, insulin and somatostatin. Glucagon, let's revise it. What is the function of insulin? It converts glucose, simple sugar, into its stored form, that is glycogen. What does glucagon do? It reconverts the glycogen into simple sugar, that is glucose. Somatostatin, it increases the duration of assimilation or utilization of food so that the energy can be taken efficiently. Just for a revision, if there is any kind of malfunctioning, that is, if the pancreas are not functioning properly, means if insulin is not released, then it causes diabetes. Guys, this is also very important. It's not given in Lucent, but I thought you should know this. The medical term of diabetes is diabetes mellitus. So in case if they give this term diabetes mellitus, so you need not worry. This is a medical term for diabetes. Okay, and insulin is very, very important because it helps in taking up the required amount of glucose. What is the function of insulin? It controls the blood sugar level. So insulin is very, very important. Guys, I hope this is clear. Please focus on all these terms, and if this is helpful, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, share with all your friends, and thank you so much.